People often use words like chatbot, Copilot, automation, and agent as if they mean the same thing, but they are not the same. Understanding the difference helps you choose the right AI approach for the right situation. This matters because different AI systems do different jobs. A chatbot may be enough for simple questions. A Copilot may be better for office work. Automation may be better for repeated processes. Agents may be useful for multi-step tasks with actions. A chatbot is the simplest to understand. You ask, it answers. Chatbots are good for questions, drafting, summaries, explanations, and ideas. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and DeepSeek are often used this way. A Copilot works beside you inside an app. For example, AI can help you write an email, summarize a meeting, improve a document, create slides, or work with spreadsheet content. The key idea is that the human is still driving the work. Automation is different. It follows a fixed workflow. For example, when someone submits a form, the system sends an email, updates a spreadsheet, and notifies the team. Automation is great for repeated tasks with clear rules. An AI agent goes one step further. An agent can work toward a goal, plan steps, use tools, and take actions. But because it can act, it also needs controls, permissions, approval points, and human oversight. Take a customer inquiry. A chatbot can draft a reply. A Copilot can help you write the email. Automation can route the inquiry to the right team. An agent might analyze the inquiry, check the CRM, draft the response, and ask a human for approval. A common mistake is calling every AI tool an agent. Not every AI tool is an agent. To be agentic, the system needs some ability to plan, use tools, and take actions toward a goal. Choose the right level before choosing the tool. Free videos help you understand. Hands-on classes help you apply. Visit theaihq.net/shop to choose your learning path.